In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and HOVERAir X1 Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 Drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 Drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The HOVERAir X1 Drone is a self-flying camera that uses advanced tracking algorithms to follow the user at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for capturing action in sports like cycling or skateboarding. Despite weighing less than an iPhone at 125 grams, this drone offers a high degree of portability and simplicity, taking off from your palm with a single click and folding away for easy transport. The drone offers a variety of intelligent flight paths including hover, follow, zoom out, and orbit, with each battery supporting approximately 20 of these paths for about 11 minutes of flight time. The HOVERAir X1 Drone supports 2.7K at 30 FPS and 1080p HDR video shooting with a triple stabilization system that ensures smooth video effects and excellent fast motion capturing capability. The HOVERAir X1 app allows for live monitoring of the drone's camera feed and manual control of its flight path, while also offering a platform for downloading and sharing photos and videos. The drone is fully enclosed with safety guards and boasts 32 gigabytes of internal storage, securing your privacy with locally stored content and providing an extra layer of protection for both the drone and its surroundings. Comparing the Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the HOVERAir X1 Drone, both products offer unique features catering to different user needs. The HS440 Drone comes with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that provides stunning aerial views and boasts a flight time of up to 20 minutes. It also has a variety of intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it suitable for beginners. On the other hand, the HOVERAir X1 Drone is designed for action, with advanced tracking algorithms that allow it to follow the user at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. It offers a range of intelligent flight paths and supports 2.7K at 30 FPS and 1080p HDR video shooting. With only 11 minutes of flight time, it's slightly less than HS440, but its unique features like palm takeoff and foldable design add to its portability and ease of use. The HOVERAir X1 app also provides live monitoring and manual control of the drone's flight path. While the HS440 Drone provides excellent value for money at $84.99, the HOVERAir X1 Drone, priced at $479, offers advanced features suitable for more professional use.